engineering career is something that's always kind of been on the back of my mind. My parents were both teachers, but both of my grandparents on my mom's side were engineers, and then my grandfather on my dad's side was an engineer as well. And they also both fought over in the Vietnam War. Both of them were in that engagement, and one of them lost their leg. So the engineering part of it falls into, I really wanted to get into biomedical, but that's one of the reasons that I kind of like THK is because I know that the LM side and the rails and whatnot, they do deal a lot with medical devices in the medical industry. So I feel like it's a really good place to get my foot in the door, especially with the quality side, because medical devices is a very zero-sum game. You cannot send something out the door in that industry that doesn't meet a very stringent quality standard. I love just being able to sink your teeth into something. There's not the biggest thing for me is it's not a day-to-day, all right, this is, you walk in and you do the same exact thing from 9 to 5. It's, you can walk in one day and you can be, all right, we had an issue with this machine overnight, go figure out what happened. The next day it can be, all right, we had scrap from January and it jumped over the course of 4 days, go figure out why that happened. It's never the same thing. It's always exciting. There's always something new to figure out, something new to learn. It's an ever-changing field, so you're never going to get the same thing 2 days in a row. My name is Brandon Ryan, and I am proud to be an engineer.